Hello everyone, welcome to another really quick video. In this video, I will show you how to request a refund for Valorant. Now, as you can see, we're here in Valorant, and basically here are just some of the things you can't get a refund on. As you can see, used weapon skins, upgraded weapon skins, stuff like that. But here's basically the list, right? Now, as you can see, how to refund an unused VP. You can request a refund for unused VP by submitting a ticket. Cash refunds are available for 14 days after a transaction as long as the VP wasn't spent. Now, obviously, you can refund the weapon skins as well. If you can get a refund on an item, again, it needs to be within the last 14 days so that you're eligible for a refund. Now, however, if you want to refund like the whole Valorant game, then you will need to do, or you can do this within, I think, 7 to 14 days after you purchase Valorant. So basically that is the only way you can go and you can request a refund. All you have to do is go to Riot Games, go to the support, and then from the support what you can do is you can actually go and you can contact their support, right? That is the only way you can do this. As you can see, you can submit a ticket here, and then from there you'll be able to submit a request where you'll be able to refund Valorant. Now keep in mind, again, 7 to 14 days is pretty much the timeline. After that, it's pretty much impossible to request a refund for Valorant or any skins in the game as well. So hopefully this video helps you out. If it did, leave a like down below and we'll see you in the next video.